Let's go.
Hey beauties, so welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, but I told you I was coming back with more. Pay no attention to my beauty room because like I told you, I am revamping my beauty room, so it's still in disarray. But either way, let's kind of get into the video. So the video is kind of going to be like my update about my recovery slash a little unboxing of my Adoreme. I have partnered basically with Adoreme's creators Adoreme's brand, and I'm a creator for them, and of course I'm like, you can kind of say an ambassador for them. So y'all, before all this stuff, I don't know what my cup size is. I'm not gonna know until like a year from now, but it's like, you know how you kind of just predict and it just falls into place. It either does or it doesn't. You can always change it down the road, so that's what I'm kind of doing. So either way, just a guess, and it actually fits. You know, I tried on like one bra, but you know, y'all are gonna get the gist of what I'm not. If you do follow me on my social medias, Tamika_Moscato, which is going to be in the link below, you're definitely going to see, you know, these pieces. This is pre-recorded for you guys, so yeah. You're gonna see this over on my channel, so all I'm doing is just unboxing for you so you can see what I got. Now I did lose a pair of panties that came with this because when I was opening I was so excited, and then one of my children literally ran away with one of the packs, so I haven't been able to find it. So hopefully that returns to me, but if not, it's okay. You guys gonna get the idea, and you're gonna go on the website and you're gonna see it anyway. So without further ado, let me kind of get into it. So if you're wondering, okay, about this hair, this is Julianne. It's actually a longer wig. It stops down under the boob. What I did was I cut it into a really cute bob that I normally do the flip over method with, or I just do, as you see, the center part here. And I just think it's really cute and fabulous. I didn't get to do the review on this hair because it was more like a go, you know, to-go wig for a special occasion, because like I say, every time I order human hair wigs, they don't get here in time for my events or whatnot. So yeah, so without further ado, let's kind of get into it. So my little update about my boobs is they still hurt. They are finally dropped. As you can see, like last time y'all seen me, it was all the way up here. They finally dropped. They are naturally dropping. My nipples look really good. I mean, it's sitting really well. I do still have a little discomfort. They do say, I understand why they tell you not to sleep on your boobs on the side for a reason, because you literally shaping and molding it to like the way you're sleeping. So that's the reason why they tell you to sleep on your back for as long as you can. So I now understand that even though it's kind of easier now for me to sleep on my side, I still am taking heed to that because I don't want no lopsided titties. So I'm now still doing a little bit of both, but I can't help it because I'm a side sleeper. So yeah, so let's get into my Adoreme box. And in it came this really cute, like there's like 4 pieces. Of course, there's a navy blue set, and then there's a bunch of pink sets. So I don't have the names with me because I'm recording on my phone, and I normally write this stuff down, but I did not. So you guys, guess what? I'm getting a new camera, so I'll be able to read from my phone and record without having to have all this, you know, rigmarole. But I normally keep the paper, but apparently I didn't keep the paper this go around. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you the pieces, and then on the side is going to be the name of the piece, and you get to go on, you know, their website and you look it up for yourself, and you get to see if you like it or not, and you know, we go from there. So this is like a little nice bustier, I call it bustier, corset bralette or bra. And I thought it was really cute. As you can see, like I said, still tags on it and everything. I just looked at them. Really cute, navy and nude. The inside is like, of the cups is nude, as well as the outside. It does have the little, you know, the unlocks at the front, but it doesn't do anything. So it is the lock, you know, the locks in the back. It comes with a really cute set of, you know, lingerie panties, you know, really cute. Like I said, a little lock in the front, but it doesn't do anything. And it comes with like a waistband. It comes with a waistband. I'm gonna have pictures up here so y'all can also see what it looks like. Has like a little waistband. It looks really good, really sexy. Even on the model, looks really delicate, really soft, really sexy, nothing raunchy. You know what I'm saying? Really cute. So this next one I have is also I call it bustier, and it's pink, or what I would call mauve pink, or light pink, and it's light pink, and it is sheer around, you know, the chest, not the chest, but underneath the chest part. Really dark pink on the inside of the cuffs. It latches, and it has like little really cute sleeves that dangle, and it comes with hold on, y'all. And it comes with these really cute, you know, mesh panties. I thought these were really cute. I mean, really sexy, like sultry, but yet, you know, I mean, tasteful. Really cute. One thing about Adoreme is their stuff is, it's all the way tasteful, and I love it. I love it. So this is the other one. This is the one that my child lost the panties to, okay? So you're gonna see them when I find them over on IG. So this is a bra, and when I say that this was the one that I tried on and so comfortable. Now, I'm not supposed to be wearing bras, and I'm not. I just tried this on, and what I'll do is I'll try them on, I'll take the pictures, and I'll take it off. That's it. And it's this you know, floral. It's really cute. The panties were like they were like not briefs, but they were like thongs, but like briefs combined. Really cute too, if I'm saying it right. And it of course latches in the back, and I just thought this was just so cute. And I gotta find the bottoms, y'all. I got to find the bottoms. And last but not least is this set. Now, I call this mauve. This is more like a mauve-y pink, and it's so cute. It's a bra, and of course it has like the little ribbon bows on it. It's sheer on the side where you latch it up, and it's just really cute, y'all. It's so sexy, especially with the panties. Like, oh my god, like, you guys, look at this. Look at this. Like, but this is the back of the panties, and it's like peekaboo in the back. You can see like the little crack. It's really cute, and I think this is a really cute set together. So all of this is really, and it's affordable. It's affordable. One thing about that, even with their VIP membership, if you do that VIP membership, everything is affordable. If you don't, you do have to pay full price. But with me being a creator, this box is sent to me, so for free. And like I said, I was buying Adoreme before I became a creator, and I love. Is that a bug signal? Okay, no, it's not. I'm slow. And I love their lingerie. It's always, you know, it's unique, and it fits. It's every shape woman just beautifully. And one thing about this company is they never disappoint when they come out with something new. I love them. I love them compared to loungewear, which is pretty pricey too. But I love Adoreme because they are affordable, and they do have tons and tons of options. So you're never gonna go wrong with finding something from them that you're not gonna like. You know what I'm saying? They have teddies. They have sets. Like, if you're a girl that do boudoir pictures, baby, this is the place to go. You know, anywhere that has nice lingerie, but baby, Adoreme, for some reason, it lures me in. Like, it makes me feel not only comfortable, but sexy as a mom at the same time. You know, so I love Adoreme. But one thing I do want to tell you guys is, and y'all gonna make fun of me, but I kind of don't care. I noticed that a lot of people had a lot of feedback on, you know, my last video. And I want to say this: let's not bash people who choose and decide to have plastic surgery done, because one, that's their choice. That's their prerogative. It's whatever they want to do with it. There's their money. They're not bashing. They're not being boastful, especially not me. I just felt like if I wanted something fixed, I'm going to get it fixed. No, I'm not finna turn into no plastic head. I'm not doing it, but I'm not finna shame somebody that do. So one thing we're not going to do is shame women, period. Not here on my channel, not nowhere that I am on a social media platform, because as a mother, I still have insecurities, okay? I'm human, It happens. I'm human. It happens. I'm not gonna sit up here and pretend like I'm perfect. I got it all the way together. Like, I'm not facing demons every day, because I am. But one thing I'm definitely going to do is I'm going to keep it real with y'all 100% all the time, so that you don't have this perception of me, if you were to meet me in person, that I'm different from who I am behind this camera. No, I'm the same person behind this camera as I am in front of this camera. So I say, if you want to do plastic surgery, that's your prerogative. Do it. If you don't and you're not with it, I can respect that as well. But me, I just feel like I did something for me after having 3 children, and I might have one in the future, who knows? But that's my choice. You know what I'm saying? As it is yours. But you are welcome to ask me any questions that I am more than free to answer for you. I have no problem with answering questions. I have no problem with telling you how I feel about certain things. You know what I'm saying? That's me. Okay? That's me. And I love y'all. I love giving y'all info that y'all need. So, you know, a lot of people ask, like, how is the healing going? You know, how do your nipples look and all this stuff. So I'm gonna tell you, my nipples look weird because they look good, but weird because I've never seen them look the way that they look now. But my work looks very flawless. My scars, you can barely see them now. I'm only 4 weeks in and you can barely see my scars. I do still have stitches still in certain places of my boob, but that's okay because they will fall out or dissolve when they fall out or dissolve. That's just what comes with plastic surgery. I'm now allowed to take a shower. I'm talking about your girl allowed to bathe. You know what I'm saying? I'm allowed to do that now. I'm feeling a lot more of myself and human, okay? Because some days I feel like a pure zombie, you know, and these things feel heavy. It's still taking some time to get used to them. So, you know, and I have to, like I said, I have to redo my entire wardrobe because stuff that I had before was only fit for my boobs that were smaller. So now we got girls sitting up here and I gotta accommodate for them. And I feel happy. I feel happy. How I feel is not gonna be according to how somebody else feel, and that's okay. I don't care. But this is what I did to make it. It's not gonna make, okay, if you change something, it's not gonna always, everything is not gonna always make you happy. But this makes me happy, okay? So my husband's happy, you know what I'm saying? It just is what it is. So if you got questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. If you don't follow me on all my social medias, I just created a Twitter account. Why? Because I do have an OnlyFans account. And before you judge me, wait a minute. I am selling feet pictures because I noticed that a lot of people have been stealing my feet pictures. So I said, why not just go ahead and cash up off that? All right. So yes, it may be feet and bikinis. That's it. I don't do nudes. It's not, you know, I can't say these words, but it's not that. And I will not shame, you know, workers. We're not doing that over here. We don't shame anybody for how they hustle. We don't shame. I don't do that, period. Okay. How you get your money is how you get your money. That's your business. That's your business. Yes, I hopped on the gravy train because I just feel like if you're going to steal my pictures, you just might as well, you know, just pay for them. But I do have one, and the link will be in the description box below. My husband is definitely okay with it because I do talk with him about these things. And, you know, it just ain't nobody else's business. That's, you know, I'm not doing anything extra provocative or anything of that nature over there. Just feet and, you know, an occasional bikini photo. That's it. I wouldn't post nothing over there that I wouldn't post on my IG. And if any of you follow me on my IG, you know it's nothing but bikini and Adoreme. And all this stuff is because I'm a creator. I'm a creator for mom brands, and they are all about body positivity. And that's, if you know me and know what my channels are for, you would know that I am about mom bod positivity. I have stretch marks, loose skins, new boobs. I had a tummy tuck and still got stretch marks, loose skin. But baby, I flaunt it because it's mine. I'm proud of it. I embrace it proudly. And I want other moms to do the same thing too. So do not judge. We're not doing no judging over here. You're not doing no judging on my other platforms. So I am on Twitter. I'm on Snapchat. My Twitter is the same as my Instagram, Tamika_Moscato. My OnlyFans account is right underneath my Instagram, which is Tamika_Moscato. So if you know anybody, send them my way. And I mean, I am not ashamed, okay? I am not ashamed in no shape, way, or form, okay? I'm very proud. I am, you know, happy and comfortable in my skin, and I just pray that many of you will find that peace and that love the same way that I do in you. So I think that's about it when it comes to this video. I don't want it to be long, but I say that and it always ends up being long. But like I said, if you have any questions for me, feel free to ask me in the comment box or shoot me a DM on my IG. I am a social media influencer. I take what I do very seriously. I do need y'all to know that I do promote businesses, whether it's apparel, jewelry, hair. I promote business, especially Black owned. And I do a free trial, and then I do a trial where you'll see my prices in my IG. I gotta make that bubble for y'all so y'all can see my prices for promotions. This is how I make my living, okay? Judge whatever you want. I don't kind of really care. A hustle is a hustle. Respect it or not. But if you're here, you're new to the family, definitely subscribe. I will be bringing back more videos now that I'm getting this new camera. I finally got a diva ring after my baby's been broken and the FedEx man that broke the new one that came. So thank God the bulb in it still works. So I put it in my old ring light, but y'all, anyway, I have a new camera coming. So there's going to be more and more videos because I am now going to take my channel more serious. I feel like when it comes to content, it's going to be whatever pops into mind that I hop on here with you guys for. You either like it, you love it, you don't. Thumbs it up, thumbs it down. Either way, your feedback helps me as a creator to further better myself. So yeah, y'all, follow me on IG at Tamika_Moscato. Follow me on Twitter, Tamika_Moscato. Stop texting me. _Moscato. If you have business inquiries concerning hair or, you know, anything else, email me at TamikaMoscato25@gmail.com. All of this information will be in the description box below. I hope you liked this video. It was just, you know, something just to brief on through because y'all need to know, you know, a sister's now accommodating these girls, okay? And she's happy. So it's been fun. It's been real. I shall catch y'all in my next video. Bye.